What's up guys, welcome back. This is Chase here again at KTS Customs. We're gonna go a little bit today over our tire machines and our balancing machine, kind of show you the process, show you the benefits of our machine in specific, but also what makes it so special and how it allows us to give you quality service.
Take it, show no, just got paid, mama, what's up? I'm too blessed, no love, I'm way up, I'm stuck, feeling good tonight, I came out with the hood tonight, which one of y'all boys would tonight? Might just do a little jug tonight, tryna get bad like ABC, count digits like 1, 2, 3, want the benefits, just say please, wanna talk to the boss, you can send them straight up to me, I'm tapped in, they watching, I'm in here, they not in, which crib, babe, I got options, got a brand new dance for you locked in, tell them what's up. Go gather around, me and my squad gon' run this town, crank this up, that's my sound, turn this whole club upside down, 1 foot out, 1 foot in, wiggle your shoulders and do a little spin, all night long with all my friends, tomorrow we gon' do it all over again, like do-si-do, gather around, me and my squad gon' run this town, crank this up, that's my sound, turn this whole club upside down, 1 foot out, 1 foot in, wiggle your shoulders and do a little spin, all night long with all my friends, tomorrow we gon' do it all over again.
So here is our Hunter engineering tire machine. This is a fully automatic machine and also allows us to mount your wheels without scratching them, because instead of a traditional machine which mounts from the lip, this one here will mount from the center bore. By using this puck, we can now mount from the middle. It prevents any damage to the lip, which most tire machines are known for doing, and sometimes it can't help it, but this greatly limits that risk. We also have the machine equipped with full rubber rollers, mounting aids, as well as our mount hook here. And these all allow us to be as safe as possible and really prevent damaging your rims. This machine also takes a great strain off of us as the workers, because it allows us to lift up the wheel and tire assembly without having to use our own strength. We have this hydraulic lift here. So it really allows us to kind of save some time and also efficiency for you folks. So through the mounting process, it's completely automated. So we can work through each step by simply holding the go pedal, which allows us to quickly train up new folks on doing it, but also increases our speed as technicians. It also sets the tire pressure for us, so we can set at any given pressure, which is to the spec of your vehicle. Simply hit start and we can walk away, and when it's done, it'll give us an indicator and we can go ahead and just move on to the next one. It also has a walk away feature, which allows us to enable it and we can completely walk away from the machine and it will mount the tire safely. It also video records the whole process, so we have proof that it was done properly, and also for us to check and ensure that we haven't damaged your rim or if there was prior damage present. So similar to our Hunter tire mounting machine, we also have the Hunter Smart Weight balancing machine, and it also helps us accurately balance your wheels to ensure that your wheels won't be vibrating as you drive, and also that we as a company aren't wasting money on unnecessary weight usage. So this machine will calculate the width and diameter of the wheel without any input, and there's also a lift just like our tire mounting machine, which allows us to safely mount your wheel on to the machine without damaging it. And we can also just lower it down. And there's also safety devices in place to keep us from accidentally starting the machine without the lift down, just to ensure that you're always being, your wheels are always being taken care of. And that just like our tire mounting machine, there's also a camera on this one facing your wheel to ensure that we didn't miss anything on this machine. We also have backup video of this just to ensure that we're offering you a service without us missing anything and making sure your wheels are well taken care of. This one also allows us to mount from the front or the back, So this machine allows us to mount the wheel either front facing or backwards facing, depending on the offset, also the type of wheel you have. Sometimes there might be a higher risk for damage in one direction. So we can kind of work around that and also keep it safely mounted using this tool here, which is also coated, and we always clean it in between every set to ensure there isn't any lingering dirt or anything that could possibly damage your wheel. And this machine is also pretty cool because, as you'll see, it has a laser which shows us where to place the weights, and it also shows us how to place the weights in the best format. And there's different options for either outside mounted for clip weights, inside, or front lip, which we typically don't do, but some wheels will call for it. And it also shows us our weight savings by using this machine compared to others. So it really allows us to efficiently and cost effectively balance your wheels. So if you need any rims or tires mounted, come on down to KTS. We can take care of anything down from a golf cart rim all the way up to your big 26s, 28s, all kinds of sizes, stretch as well. So if you have any inquiries, feel free to reach out. Thank you.